Dumpster Rental, Lexington, Kentucky. Efficient waste management is essential for any successful business, and Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC is here to simplify it. As the trusted choice for dumpster rental in Lexington, Kentucky, we provide reliable, timely, cost-effective waste disposal solutions tailored to business owners like you. Whether you're tackling a renovation project, managing daily operations, or dealing with large-scale cleanups, Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC offers a variety of dumpster sizes to handle the job. Our commitment to prompt delivery and swift pickups ensures your worksite stays clean and productive without unnecessary delays. What sets us apart is our focus on customer satisfaction. We work closely with our clients to offer flexible rental terms, ensuring you get the right dumpster at the right time. Our competitive pricing and professional service make us the ideal partner for businesses looking to streamline their waste management process. Ready to make waste management hassle-free for your business? Call Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC at 859-544-4795 and discover how our dumpster rental in Lexington, Kentucky can save you time, money, and effort. Let us handle the waste so you can focus on what matters most, running your business successfully.